Experiencing outgoing call failures with Spectrum Mobile can be frustrating. The most common causes include network issues, problems with your device, or incorrect settings. Start by checking your signal strength. Weak or fluctuating signals often prevent calls from connecting. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and activated. Next, restart your phone and toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the network connection. Outdated software can also be the culprit, so check for and install any available carrier or OS updates. Verify that VoLTE is enabled in your phone's settings, as this is crucial for modern calls on Spectrum's network. If issues persist, use the Spectrum mobile app's diagnostic tools to automatically troubleshoot network settings. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your outgoing call failures on Spectrum Mobile, here are some advanced fixes you can try. First, check your APN settings. Access point name configurations can interfere with call connectivity. Make sure they're set correctly for Spectrum Mobile by navigating to your phone's network settings. Next, contact Spectrum Mobile support. They can confirm that your account is properly provisioned for outgoing calls and may provide additional guidance. In some cases, a SIM card replacement may be necessary. If the card appears damaged or corrupted, contact Spectrum to get a new one. If problems persist, consider a factory reset of your device. Always back up important data before proceeding, as this will erase all settings. Looking ahead, Spectrum Mobile is adopting AI-driven diagnostics within its app, providing real-time fixes similar to other carriers. The future also involves increased use of 5G standalone networks, which should reduce call failures by handling voice traffic more efficiently. Additionally, expect hybrid solutions such as eSIM technology, which eliminates the need for physical SIM cards and can prevent some connectivity issues. Finally, focus on user empowerment. Experts recommend proactive steps like regular signal checks to prevent many call failures before they occur.